Pry open the air conditioner panel with a prying tool. Pry off the gear shift knob and shift to N for later disassembly. Take out the cigarette lighter box. Hold down the middle clip and take out the trim strip. Use a T20 screwdriver to remove the 2 screws at the top and the 2 at the bottom. Pull out the central control panel outward. Remove the 4 clips behind the panel. Remove the 2 screws next to the head unit. Take out the head unit. Unplug the power and video cables from the back of the head unit. Connect one end of our cable to the vehicle's original power and video sockets, and plug the other end back into the head unit. Start the car and test whether the functions work properly. You can thread our cables through the holes here and place the module underneath the head unit. Restore the parts you just removed in sequence.